Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Crane. As part of our weekend routine, I'm back with few more potential stocks and we are going to do chart analysis of those stocks in today's video. Apart from that, I'm also going to discuss how to trail your stop loss and how to trail your winning trades. So watch this video till the end. Let's start our analysis with Max Health Institute Limited. This company is the second largest healthcare chain in India by revenue with a network of 17 healthcare facilities. It has major concentration in North India with 8 hospitals and 5 medical centers located in Delhi and other cities of Mumbai, Mohali and Dehradun. This is daily time frame chart of Max Healthcare Institute Limited. You can observe the stock is forming a bullish structure, making higher highs and higher lows in this ascending channel. See here, the stock gave a breakout from this channel with huge volumes. If you observe the last session candle here, it almost retraced to 50% of the previous green candle. There are no volumes in the retest candle. That's what we want, right? We always look for expansion of the volumes in the breakout candle and contraction of the volumes in the retest candle. Most probably, I'm expecting it will reverse from 315 level on Monday session, or else it may retest to previous swing high of 305 to 310 level. My trading plan in this stock is I will enter this stock with initial stop below 290 on daily closing basis, and I am expecting a targets of 365 and 390 in the coming days. So now my second pick is Polycab Limited. Polycab India is the number one manufacturer of wires and cables in India with market share of over 18%. This company has 25 manufacturing facilities at 7 locations. 4 of 25 facilities manufacture FMEG products. This company recently has also launched wide range of consumer electric products like fans, switches, switch gears, LED lights, solar inverters and pumps. Now, this is daily time frame chart of Polycab India Limited. First, let's try to understand the price action of this chart. If we observe here, previously it was trading in an ascending channel. There was also a resistance at 1160 level. Finally, it broke the channel resistance and double top resistance level with huge volumes. Later, it retested the resistance turn support level twice before starting its next leg of journey. From mid-April to June end, it rallied with momentum. If we observe the price action from the last few sessions, it retraced back and consolidating in a very tight range. In the last Friday session, it gave the range breakout with huge volumes. So my trading plan in this stock is I will be adding this stock with initial stop below 1790. This previous swing high at 2000 to 2035 level will act as a strong resistance, and this is going to be my first target. After that, the levels I marked on this chart are the resistance levels I'll watch out. Tata Consultancy Services is my third pick. It is an IT services, consulting and business solution organization. TCS offers a cognitive powered integrated portfolio of business, technology and engineering services. TCS has formed an ascending triangle pattern on daily time frame. It also gave a breakout in the previous session with decent volumes. Pattern target is length of base of the triangle calculated from the breakout level. So my trading plan in this stock is I will add this stock if it breaks the previous session high and sustains over it, or else I'll wait for the retest levels to add. My initial stop is below 3315 and these are the resistance levels I'll watch out. KPIT Technologies Limited is my last pick. KPIT is a global technology company with software solutions that will help in autonomous, clean, smart and connected future. This is daily time frame chart of KPIT Technologies. Previously, it was consolidated in a range. It gave a breakout retest before started moving up. If we observe from the previous few sessions, it was facing resistance at this 315 level multiple times. Finally, in the last session, it gave a breakout with decent amount of volumes. So, I will be entering this stock with the initial stop below 300 on daily closing basis, and these are the resistance levels I'll watch out. Now, I will take this example and explain you how I trail my stop losses in swing trades. So, on chart you can see 300 is my stop loss point, 350, 385 and 420 are my targets. What I will do is, whenever my first target of 350 hits, I'll move my stop loss to my entry point so that even stock reverses from there, I won't make any losses. If we calculate the percentage return from the entry point to target 1 and target 2, it is around 5% and 16% respectively. So if my target 2 hits, I will be having 16% return in my pocket. Now I will move my stop loss to 10% return. For example, in this stock, 385 is my second target. My 10% return from my entry point is 365. And I will move my stop loss to 365, fixing my 10% profit. Now you may have a doubt. Vijay, you are already in 16% profits. Why are you keeping stop loss at 10%? Why not just below 16%? You are risking 6% of your profits, right? I'll explain why. We know most of the times stocks move in a bullish structure, making higher highs and higher lows. Look at this picture. It is a bullish structure and T1, T2, T3 are the targets. So if I keep my stop loss just below target 2, what happens is stock makes a higher low, taking support at this previous swing high and started moving up. The problem is I will be stopped out early and miss the whole move to target 3. Therefore, ideally, we should keep some room for the stop loss. The whole idea is always protect your stop loss. For example, if the structure is clear, keep the stop loss just below previous swing low. Or if your stock is consolidating in a tight range, taking support at a particular price multiple times, then you can keep the stop loss just below that price level. If you are a beginner and don't know the price action and these structures, just follow the 5% rule which I discussed earlier. Keep a room for the stop loss. That's it. This is how you trial your stop losses. So let's end this video here. TradeGreen official, all social platform account links are provided in the description below. Do follow and join us there too. This is CA Vijay. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.